This innovative house design exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and environmental sensitivity. Set on a gently sloping plot with expansive views of the Pacific Ocean, the house is strategically oriented to maximize these stunning vistas. The design features a series of interconnected rectangular trapezoids, creating a dynamic and visually striking form that responds to both the site's topography and the functional requirements of the dwelling. The architectural concept prioritizes a seamless integration between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The interior is organized to face westward, ensuring that each room benefits from the panoramic ocean views. The spatial layout is characterized by its openness and flexibility, facilitated by sliding doors and mobile panels that allow for easy reconfiguration of the living areas. This design approach eliminates traditional transition spaces, creating a fluid, continuous experience throughout the home. The structural integrity of the house is achieved through a rhythmic arrangement of reinforced concrete pillars, which not only support the building, but also contribute to its distinctive visual identity. This material choice is integral to the home's thermal performance, providing essential thermal inertia to regulate indoor temperatures. Inside, the use of wood adds a touch of warmth and natural beauty, while also helping to minimize thermal bridging and enhance construction detailing. Externally, the house's compact form and choice of durable materials ensure resilience against the region's climatic conditions. The design incorporates both passive and active sustainability measures. Passive strategies include optimized solar radiation control, effective thermal insulation, and the reduction of thermal bridges. Active sustainability features are highlighted by low-energy lighting, high-efficiency appliances, and heat pumps. Additionally, renewable energy is harnessed through biomass heating, photovoltaic panels for electricity generation, and treated water systems for garden irrigation. The upper terrace offers a sheltered space for relaxation and social activities, seamlessly extending the home's functional area while providing breathtaking views. The exterior pathway wraps around the house, linking the street with the garden and reinforcing the connection between the built environment and nature. Overall, this modern house stands as a testament to thoughtful design, where every element, from its structural framework to its sustainable features, works together to create a dwelling that is both visually stunning and environmentally responsible.